What's going on? Rohan with you, and I'm recording today the video for the One Funnel Away challenge. Okay, I've made a video of this previously, okay, but I wanted to record it again because I myself was taking the One Funnel Away challenge for the second time, and I've seen a lot of changes, okay, in the newer versions, and that's why I wanted to update my video and tell you that there is, so many good things happening inside One Funnel Away challenge that I really cannot believe that this challenge is just $100. So I mean, I'm currently taking it right now, and I'll take you through the members area in a minute. Okay, but before that, I want to tell you two things that I'm only a week into the challenge, but I want to mention two very important things. First thing is that whatever I thought about ClickFunnels, okay, even though I took the challenge when it was released the first time, right? What I've realized is that, when we start our online journey, it's very important to do the business in the right way. Okay. And it's crazy how I've been using ClickFunnels for so long. Okay. And I'm finding success with it. Not that I'm not, but it's not anything huge. Okay. But the One Funnel Away challenge has shown me how I was approaching everything in the opposite direction. Like literally, I have to turn everything around 180-degree in order to approach everything. Like if I knew this information at the beginning of my online journey, things would have been very, very, very different. Okay, and I'm seeing this already just 1 week into the challenge, guys. I'll give you a sneak peek of what I've been learning actually, so that you can have an idea as well. It's not me just making up words, but I'll show you that. And the second thing is the registration deadline for the next one is April 28th. Okay, so you can see here April 28th. Now, just because it's April 28th, don't wait till the last moment. Okay, you can set yourself up for success by registering now, grabbing my bonuses. Okay, part of my bonuses have ClickFunnels trainings itself. Okay, so you can get used to the software. That way, you have a faster learning curve once you enter One Funnel Away challenge. Okay, it's not that important. I mean, it's not a requirement, but if you do it, you will just be putting yourself ahead. Okay, so let me quickly show you a little bit about what's going on inside. Okay, so this is the account that you get when you sign up. Okay, over here all the live trainings are released, as well as there is a dedicated Facebook group, a private Facebook group, okay, that you will be signing up to when you sign up for the challenge. Each each challenge batch, so to say, is kept separate from each and every one, right? So I'm in the March batch, right? So the April one will have its own dedicated Facebook group, and that's where all the learnings and the whole community. There are like 3,500 people signed up for One Funnel Away challenge in the March batch, guys. 3,500 people. So you can imagine how crazy this is, right? I mean, there can't be 3,500 idiots to be there. So from that, you can tell that this program has a lot of value. So when the program started, the first week was about belief and stuff like that. It was Russell's and Stephen sharing a lot about their past actually, and what they went through, and what how they became successful, and what things we can learn from them to prepare our mind mainly in order to find success faster. It's all about us believing in ourselves that we can do it. Okay, I don't want to elaborate a lot about it, because when you sign up to the challenge, I want you to go through it so that you can feel what I'm feeling right now. Okay, and the other thing is, once the first week is over, then the mission, that's preparation weeks, right? And then the actual mission starts 1 week into the program. So Russell has already talked about few things like offer hacking, and I've been thinking about this exactly in the opposite direction. So whatever he went through, you can see it's like a half-an-hour video where he talks about the hook story offer and how you go about creating it and why it's so important. And literally each and every offer should have this, guys. And I was not doing it for anything. One year into my online business, if I took this seriously a year ago, I mean, things would have been really different. Then he talks about something called the greatest showman, which is people will spend more money for the same product packaged in a different way. Guys, if you know this formula, you can pretty much take any product and sell it in a different way to get sales. And by different way, Russell talks about selling it for more. So in his video, he gives an example of how he can sell an iPhone for $10,000. Of course, I don't want to really reveal all the details, but it's an example like this. What I'm trying to convey is that you take a normal product. Everybody has these normal products, but how will you stand out in order to sell this? Isn't that the problem we all face? All of us, what we do when we get online is that we try to drive traffic to all the same offers that everyone's doing. How can you stand out from your competition? Right? So this is what Russell talks about. So how to package your product in such a way in order to make an irresistible offer. And guys, the resources that he goes through, it's all free resources, by the way. It's all available on the internet. It's crazy. It's crazy. Just that lesson alone was worth $100 for me. It's nuts. Seriously. And the next, these live videos are launched every day. It's like a daily training. And here he'll be talking about offer sequencing. I'm yet to watch the video, but I'm so excited because I'm learning so much every day. It's crazy. I can't wait to start implementing actually. Now I'm looking at my entire affiliate marketing business in a completely different way. It's absolutely nuts. So this is a, quick view into the members area of what you're going to get. Of course, you get all the bonus 30-day programs. This is if you went broke, what you would do in 30 days in order to, launch your business in a big way again. So these are 32 Comma Club members giving information on their 30-day plans. So the information is overwhelming, guys. It's honestly too much just for $100. I can't believe it. Okay. Now, the last thing, guys, is I want to make you guys an offer of if you happen to spend $100 through my link, okay, then what bonuses will you get? And that's here. Okay. Now, obviously, these bonuses, I signed up through someone else's affiliate link who provided me these bonuses, right? And this is all these bonuses belong to a person called Doug Bolton, by the way. Okay. And of course, by signing up to his affiliates link, I was able to get access to all his bonuses as well. So, and honestly, his bonuses are amazing. So I don't need to, add anything to it, so to say, but here's what you get with this offer, guys. This is all what you get from Clickfunnels itself. Okay. You'll get the video missions, the coaching from, Russell and his team, your 30-day kit, okay, which contains the book, MP3 player, hardcover copy, and everything, interviews and whatever. It's over $3,000 worth in value, guys. I've not even looked at it. Okay. And in addition to that, you will get 9 high converting funnels. Okay. It depends. Whatever niche you're in, it has that particular funnel. So realtor, restaurant, contractor, fitness, dentist, takeout restaurants, traffic. These funnels are really high quality, guys. The basic thing you can even do is grab these funnels and just resell them, as a freelancer. There are so many possibilities. Imagine you can get all of this just for $100, guys, $100. And even the one funnel away challenge is 100% commission challenge. So which means if you sign up and spend $100 and you help another person sign up, to do the challenge with you, you have pretty much just done the challenge for free. It's not that difficult, guys. I sold the one funnel away challenge to like a bunch of people, and we are all doing it together this time. So I'm pretty much doing this for free. I'm getting all this for free, guys. So this is, if you don't do this, you are crazy, seriously, because this is only going to help your business, right? So all these funnels cost $873. So now your bonus value is above 4,000. And this is the course that I was talking about. This is a CF mastery course created by Doug Bolton, which you can get the link to. Okay. And if you sign up well before April 28th, you can prepare yourself, get used to the software so that when the time comes to using the software inside the OFA challenge, which is 1 or 2 weeks into the challenge, then you're already familiar with the software and you can just launch, because the information, and the knowledge that you're going to get is going to make you so excited. You're just going to want to launch offers like every day. At that time, with all that excitement, you don't want to be struggling with ClickFunnels like, oh, I don't know how to connect a domain, I don't know how to connect an email autoresponder, blah, blah, blah. these simple things, get it out of the way now only, so that once the OFA challenge starts, one funnel away challenge starts, you can hit the ground running. Okay, so you get all of this stuff. Okay, that takes your bonuses to a value of over $5,000, guys. 5,000. All this for $100 today. Seriously, if you sign up today, your challenge will start after the April 28th. But in the meantime, you get all these bonuses which you can familiarize yourself with and even make money. I mean, if you already are a freelancer, or if you're already in, if you're like a marketing agency or whatever it is, even if you're just an affiliate for Clickfunnels, you can promote the exact same thing. And the person doesn't even have to give you the money. He just has to sign up for one funnel away challenge. You get 100% commission. Guys, this deal is like a no-brainer, guys. No-brainer. Seriously. Okay. So, and look at this. I'm going to throw in a free training that can help you make your $100 back right away. So, I mean, this is going to give you the exact steps of how to get this $100 back. If $100 is a big deal for you. Honestly, if you're a serious businessman looking to launch an online empire, $100 should be chump change to you. But obviously people struggle, those who are starting out. It was the same for me as well. But for the value that you're going to be getting from this, guys, $100 is pretty much like a penny. Seriously, So this is my offer to you guys. Also my personal contact information there. I have my own Facebook group whose link I'll put below. So, guys, if this is even a thought, you should go for it, guys, because seriously, this will completely change your perspective of creating offers and doing an online business. If you click any of these buttons, it'll pretty much just go to the next page where you can then sign up. Okay. And like I'll give you a preview. Okay. So you click any of these buttons, it will take you to the sign up page. Okay. And over there, you can just click this button and sign up for the challenge. Then just email me. Okay. My email is in the funnel itself and in the link below. Just email me and I'll send you your bonuses. Okay. And I'll be there with you as well along the way for support and stuff like that, whatever you need. All right, guys. So $100, one funnel away challenge. April 20th is the deadline. But sign up now. Don't waste time. Get yourself ahead of the curve. Seriously, the $100, you don't even need to think about it because you're going to make that money back. Okay. And then get in touch with me so that we can completely rock this program out and, first make the change in ourselves that we can fix our business. Or even if you're starting as a newbie, right? You can start in the right direction. And then once you start and you're getting results for yourself, you can help others do the same as well. Because honestly, on a daily basis, there are so many people who are starting off in the wrong way, and before you realize you're already down several $100s and you're pretty much thinking about giving up internet marketing, whereas it's an amazing avenue of income and a path to your own freedom, right? You can be independent using this stuff, right? So believe in yourself, guys, and take this chance. I wouldn't even call it a risk. Just take a chance, right? Making that $100 back after the program or before the program won't be an issue, right? So just purchase the program, get in touch with me, get your bonuses, and we can discuss how to succeed. Okay, you have my help, and that's it, guys. Just take action. It's all about taking action. All right. So cheers, guys. Looking forward to interacting with you and talking about one funnel away challenge. Okay. Cheers.